Today I want to show you how you can look up custom CSS on any Squarespace website. So you're browsing web and you see a cute site in somebody else's portfolio and you think, how did they do that? So there is an easy way to look all of it up. Squarespace is not hiding it. So in order to look it up, and I'm going to show you my own site for the sake of this tutorial. So you go into Inspector and you go into Sources, and you need to find a folder with Squarespace CSS. So if I'm not mistaken, it was under Assets, Styles Compressed. So as you can see, there are lots of folders. It's called static1 squarespace.com. And here we have version side CSS. We open this file. So originally this file is minified, and it's a really long file. It's minified, but recently Chrome learned how to unminify it. And you see, it's a whole all CSS that's available on the site. And you need to scroll all the way down and then go up slightly. You see I have a lot of junk that I need to clean up. Going up, 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 up. Up to a certain point. The video player. Yes, so everything that is under this comment, Squarespace less compiler, at the bottom of the file. So everything that's in here, all of this custom code, is pretty much what I have on my site as custom CSS. And I'm gonna copy it and put it into Sublime Text. It's a code editing app that I'm using, and instead of plain text, I'm gonna select less. So it highlights it for me. So this is pretty much everything that I have. And in my code on my website, I have all of these things. They are commented out. And in the less compiler, what we see right now, they are not commented out. So basically what I could do, I could plug this into ChatGPT and ask it to comment on the code for me. Add comments to this Squarespace CSS from a website. Explain what it does. So it's just going to add comments, so it's easier for you to read. And you can look up certain things in this code. So for example, if you were interested in how certain elements were styled and you thought that maybe this is custom CSS, can I look it up? You can actually copy custom CSS from any site and look it all up and ask ChatGPT to annotate all of the code. For example, if you wanted to look up how image card was styled, how gallery was styled, you would inspect it, look at which element this is, so what kind of class, what kind of block is this, and then just search it in the custom CSS to see if they targeted it. And I'll do that all the time when I'm curious how certain things are done. And sometimes I just use it to get inspired and write my own code, write my my own CSS customization because I saw that somebody did it, so that's possible. And this is a way to look up custom CSS on Squarespace sites.